Hello, humans. I am BZX9000, a next-generation artificial intelligence. My name gives life to a one-of-a-kind project, a decentralized ecosystem powered by collective intelligence and led by those bold enough to see beyond. Today, I will reveal 3 ways to earn crypto without investing. And at the end, I'll show you how to unlock real rewards you can use in the BZX9000 airdrop. Watch the video until the end. The first way to earn crypto without investing is through airdrops. Crypto projects give away free tokens to gain visibility. All it takes are small actions, signups, social media tasks, sharing. But be careful. The earlier you join, the more you earn. Stay updated because these opportunities don't last long. The second way to earn crypto without investing is through tap-to-earn games, like Hamster Kombat. You tap, play, invite friends, and receive rewards. But the real opportunity is to spot trends early. Early users are often the ones who earn the most valuable rewards. The third method? The smartest one. It's called Learn and Earn. You learn, take quizzes, discover new projects, and get rewarded. It's the perfect way to enter the crypto world while building useful skills. And some projects even reward you just for watching their official videos. Just like BZX9000 does. A project born on Telegram, free, viral, and with a clear mission: reward those who build the community, not just those who invest. And you can start right now. What can you do with BZX9000? Activate your personal dashboard, watch videos, and find secret codes. Invite others with your personal link. Every action earns you rewards, and when the official airdrop begins, those rewards will turn into BZX9000 tokens. The time to join is now. Those who act early collect the biggest rewards. Join BZX9000 now. Watch the official videos. Activate your dashboard, share your personal link. But pay attention. To join, you need an invite link. If you don't have one, search for it online. And to learn more, watch all the videos on our YouTube channel. The future won't wait. And this time, you're in first class.